Look, you can see like these. Look, you can see like these two. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing levels. Good. What's good, man? Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing 1 2 3 mic. Cool. I don't know. My mic was sounding kind of crunchy yesterday. I went back and watched some of the stream. What's good, man? Alright, let's try to make it another good one. Looks like Meta market coming down a little bit here, bro. Yeah. The fade continued. Palantir still above 15 though. Let me do something real quick. Alright. Oh damn, Palantir coming down though. Look, as high as 1560s pre-market, bro. I gotta start getting up earlier, dude. I mean, as long as we hold 15, more preferably previous close. It's on the wrong damn chart. Yeah. Look, Palantir freaking got up as high as 1560s. So, I mean, we're just gonna assume that that's a resistance. Obviously. Love to see that thing break above that. What's happening with Meta here? Looks like we're coming down. I mean, basically the whole market's doing the same thing. Lord have mercy. Okay, Amazon. This is why the market's fading. Or I wouldn't say this is why, but there's your indicator. Whatever market's about to open here. In about 3 minutes. 3 minutes or less. I mean, here's my champion right here, bro. I don't know, bro. Looks like we're going down. Oof. Decent. Look at that. What are we talking about? That's bullshit. Alright, here we go. Got 1 minute till market open. I don't know, bro. It looked like we about to fade. Look, let's get in the trenches. See this hectic ass price action. $20 20 seconds. There we go. I don't know why my shit always is that. Like it's trying to like compensate for the indicators or something. Coming down. Oh, I'm trying to fix my charts, bro. Every time market opens, like shit, like I don't know, like everything goes flat or something. That's another strike. All right. Cracking supports. The Q's already cracked at 354. Now it's acting as resistance, looking like the SPY about to crack 426 30s. It's already cracked 426 50s. Got this level here for some reason, and look at success. Covered down decent. I don't know, bro. Like, no way. I mean, Amazon was already bouncing, so that's good. That looks like it's the only thing that's bouncing right now, bro. I don't know. AMD's bouncing. NVIDIA is not. No, we're bouncing. Well, NVIDIA is. Oh, I need to watch this, dog. We're coming down decent. Hold up. Let's look at this real quick. We gotta see where we could possibly bounce at, bro. Alright, we cracked that. Looks like we could probably come down to 425.75 maybe, if we don't bounce here soon. Or even 425 flat, I'll say. Nice round number after that, 424. If we don't stop fading. Dude, look at this. This shit all the way up here, bro. I mean, Amazon is trying to bounce. Looks like they're selling into it. Let me go to 1 minute. I don't know, bro. Let me see, bro. Alright. Is that a floor or are we gonna keep fading? Oh no, bro, this shit looking pretty weak. That shit looking weak, dude. Wait, hold up. AI's pushing up. AI just went front side. Look at this. Okay. I was gonna say, boy. I'm always looking for the fade, but I don't like trading right off the open.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm gonna just try something. Let's get in these trenches real quick. These are 30-second candles. I don't know, the market's looking weak to me, bro. Yeah, that's just my opinion, though. Look at this. Yeah, you seen that VWAP slant? Usually we get like a little bounce and then we keep fading after that, bro. Look at this. Look, Amazon bounces, now it's fading. Google couldn't go front side. AI bounce and now it's fading. Success is still like putting in higher lows. AMD faded, bounced, and is looking to keep fading. Look, the SPY's fading. Look, if we don't bounce right here, bro. Okay. I'm gonna say, man. Wait, hold up. Because those are 30-second candles. Let's get a clearer picture here. Yeah, if we don't bounce here, bro. Okay. Well, no, I'm still seeing a little weakness here. Let me look at the S&P 500. I mean, Meta and Nvidia are starting to bounce. What the fuck? Wow. Here's the S&P 500. Palantir bouncing. Damn, Palantir went backside for a second. Oh, cracked 15. I don't like that. Look at Meta though. Meta's ripping. Nvidia's ripping. Well, Nvidia's not ripping. It's trying to bounce. Meta's ripping. Meta went front side. But look, it got up to 272.50s. They're trying to sell into it. And Nvidia faded, tried to bounce, couldn't even get really front side. It's fighting to hold VWAP. Meta's coming back down. Kraken going backside. Palantir is trying to go front side, but I don't know, bro. I maintain that the market's kind of weak right now. I know it's early, but I just don't like how we started fading like pre-market and shit or after hours. So let's just sit there and watch it. I mean, Success is dumping, so I would expect the semis to be bouncing. All right. Oh, look at this. Look at Google coming down, Amazon coming down. AI is like it's like a short squeeze type, almost like a meme stock. Not a meme stock, just a hype, like a hype stock. You feel me? It's just running off the AI hype. So not a meme stock. I meant to say like a hype stock. By the way, nothing wrong with trading those either. Look, so this is what I mean, bro. Look, we gap down and we're like just chopping around here. I mean, Nvidia's trying to bounce. Palantir's trying to go front side. It's struggling though. I don't like that, dude. I might cash in them calls while they're still in the money. We're getting a little bounce here. Mainly from tech though. You feel me? That's what I'm saying. Tech bouncing. The S&P 500 chopping around down here. Yeah, it can be considered consolidation, really. Alright, Success is dumping. So, obviously, you would expect the NVIDIA, AMD to be bouncing right now. Again, so what was it yesterday? Tech, I believe, was weaker yesterday when the SPY was stronger. I forget. But look, so tech stocks are trying to bounce. Um, the SPY is like looking kind of weak here. Feel me? Look, we're dropping around sideways, backside. Let me get rid of these freaking levels, dog. It's throwing off my chart. There's like a setting on here where like it compensates like your chart height and shit based on your indicators or something. So now the market's bouncing. Let's see though, right? We're still backside. Look at Apple though, dude. Look, what's going on with Apple? Didn't they release some new tech or something? They're not getting a pop off that? I mean, we are close to all-time highs, I guess. So I don't know how much it's expected to run, but I would expect us to run more. Tesla, look, just down here chopping around sideways. I mean, some would consider that consolidation. It actually looks like it wants to break down to me. And Q's rejecting VWAP. It's still super early. Super early. But just from what I'm seeing off the first few minutes, I don't know, dog. It's looking pretty weak and bearish to me, bro. To be quite honest with you. Look, Tesla's looking like it wants to break down. Look, Apple, like here on the lows here. Look, now the Qs were looking strong. If the Qs come down here and crack this 353 or whatever this floor is, 350, 330s, I'm gonna go ahead and say, yeah, we are weak. I don't know. Palantir is kind of behaving like a meme stock. No, it's not. I'm just saying. Because yesterday I seen capital rotating from the market into, like, Palantir was bouncing when the market was fading and vice versa. That's usually what meme stocks do. I mean, ultimately, what's going to determine, the direction of the market is this thing right here. And I mean, we gap down. Let's actually zoom out a little bit and see where we're at. So you see, look, this is like support, major support. We freaking were bullish for like a week. Now, we're still near the top. All right, we're bouncing. I don't trust it. That's just me personally. The market looking too weak. Remember, Morgan Stanley came out with some statement or something yesterday. See what they're talking about. Stocks drift lower at open while oil loses more ground. Coinbase is sued by the SEC. Stock tumbles more than 15%. Damn, Coinbase tumbling. Let's check this out. Oh, yeah. The thing freaking tumbled from 59 to freaking 45, bruh. Oh, shit. That would have been a nice little freaking fade. Apple's on the lows. Everything's, I'm not going to say everything. Meta's front side, Palantir's front side, right? Amazon's front side, Google barely, AI front side. AI is looking like it's going to squeeze up, and actually AMD's been looking bullish. That might be the next one I add to for long term. Because remember, like AMD has its own AI shit going on too. Look, Nvidia's dumping now. Check it. Let me gas up my vape. They're fighting for it. They're fighting for it. definitely trending in the right direction. It's hard to call, but I feel like the market's looking pretty weak to me, bro. Look, gap down, we're backside, we're chopping around sideways. I mean, okay, I got this 42.69s here. Let's see what happens when we get here. Now, if we can get back up here, like in this gap fill zone, we could gap up. You feel me? Alright, we're seeing some action over here. Look, Amazon front side, Google front side, AI front side. Success continues to stay on the lows. Look at Amazon, AMD. AMD's looking like a beast lately. I'm getting mad notifications. No one cares about the Vision Pro, bro. Like, not at $35. I mean, $3,500. Whatever that shit is. What is it? Is it a VR headset? I thought the going rate for VR headsets was around $350 or something. So we're looking at some at Walmart. All right, we're grinding up, right? Putting in some higher lows here. Look, there goes the slant. Seeing that VWAP slant? Alright, slight recovery. Let's see if it's real. I mean, if we've crossed over the 9 in VWAP, we're going up here. At the 120s next, that thing's bouncing decent. Putting in new highs. What's up with Palantir? So look, we broke past that. Coming up here. If we can get up here in this little gap fill area, we can gap up to previous close. I was looking at something else. Okay. Meta got as high as 273.25. Look at Nvidia. It's looking like there's resistance up here, my guy. Hold on, let's go to a slightly higher time frame for some clarity and some logic. Man, those are 3-minute candles. Let's get some 5s at least. I don't know where I got this level from. Let's get rid of it. And right there, looks like some type of resistance on Nvidia. 390 30s. I think that's the same level I had like a second ago. Look, now we're like, looks like we're topping out and like starting to turn around and come down. As you can see from Palantir, we're trying to bounce. I mean, it's hard to call right now. Look what the SPY did. We got up to the 120 and rejected. What about the Qs? Look, grinded up. Got to around the same level as the SPY. Not quite to the 120 and rejected. Now we're coming down. What's concerning is Apple is on the lows damn near for a few days now. I mean, not good for the long term, but you know what I'm saying? The good thing about it is, like, I added a lot to the long term when the market was looking bearish as hell like a couple weeks ago. So, alright, this is pivotal. I don't know where I got this level from. Let's zoom out a little bit. Yeah, that shit's from way back there, bro. But look, you can see here. I mean, I would expect there to be a level here. Also here. And then maybe here. Definitely here. I don't. I mean, not out of the realm of possibility, but it's gonna take a lot of fading for us to get down there. Nvidia popping decent here. Going up the previous close again. I mean, last time no, that was Meta. All right, this is there's that slant. The slant game is real, bro. I promise you. Oh man, look at Palantir. Don't do it. Don't make me regret not freaking just taking profit on them calls. I mean, I still could, but they're in the money. But that's not clearly enough, especially after I seen we're up at 1560s. Not clearly, nearly. My bad, dude. I just woke up. I mean, it's trying, bro, but that's the thing. When it's trying, dude, it's weak. You feel me? I just don't like to trade directly off the open. Otherwise, I would have freaking tried to fade that shit. Meta's looking it's doing its usual bullish things. 273.60s now, new high a day. 273.80s, bro. Meta is a freaking champ. That thing's running, bro. But I don't like what Palantir's doing. And look what Nvidia's doing. It's getting up here. There's resistance up here. Look. Meta's a champion. Now look. See what I'm saying? Look, we're chopping around sideways, bro. But we've already showed some signs of bearishness. Meta steadily pushing higher, about to hit 274. Just hit 274. 15's just ripping. Tech is obviously stronger today. I mean, what are they alternating? That's what it seems like. Seems like one day the tech stronger, the next day that's the SPY stronger. Like it's like alternating. Was that algo? Was that algorithmic driven? Who knows? I definitely don't claim to know. One thing I know is how to watch this price action. That's it. Look at Amazon, bro. Amazon's looking decent. It's been showing some strength. Look at this thing. That's decent. Decent little run we've been on, bro. Definitely like in definitely been like in a I mean rather bullish cycle here for at least the last few weeks to a month. But I mean, wouldn't you? All right, so we're bouncing now. Let's see how things shake out. We're 30 minutes in, and we barely over VWAP in the 9, under the 120 and backside. 30 minutes in. I don't know how I feel about that. So you could see, look, that's that fade I caught yesterday, bro. Look at that thing, bro. And honestly, I could have freaking swung overnight and been deeper in the money, but who knows what the time decay. You know what I'm saying? Look at that slant. Seen it? You would think, I don't know, yeah, and correct me if I'm wrong, right? But you would think when VWAP slants down and it's farther away from price, that's bearish, right? Isn't it the farther we're under VWAP, like the more bearish the underlying usually is? So when it slants down like that abruptly, alright, the SPY's breaking out of this range. Look, there's a slant. Look, seeing it clear as day right there. Look, immediately after that, you see a wick. I mean, I would love for. All right, look what SOX is doing. We're here at this 1212. That's the level from yesterday, obviously. And it was a major level in my eyes. Intraday though. All right, the SPY's trying to make a run. Look, there's a slant. Look, see when the slant comes in, look, that we automatically see weakness. That's what I'm talking about. Like I'm saying, VWAP slant. I don't know. I don't know what causes it. Like, I mean, do I have a active VWAP? I don't know. Adaptive or some shit. Who knows? But dude, after trading today, I'm calling my broker and like having them not auto renew my market data so I could try TradingView. Look, VWAP slant. Every time it looks like it wants to look bullish or maybe bounce, VWAP slants down and we stay weak. It's happened like 5 times already. Those are like some of my favorite plays too. When we wash out, consolidate, and then start running up. I mean, it's both the same. Either we wash out, fade, find support, consolidate, and then bounce, or we're bullish off the open, top out, and reject and fade. I mean, basically, it's like the same, just the inverse. We're bouncing now. VWAP slant. It was on the SPY though. That's like at least 6 times it's done that now. Alright, so we're coming up here to this gap fill zone. If we get in here, like we could just gap up. Let's get in the trenches. Yeah, on the 30-second, looking even more bullish. Sesson says on 1, 2, 3, mic check. You know what? I need to check because it seems like my audio. No, actually, no, it's not. It's something with my Premiere settings. All right, look. That shit's like constantly running background tasks. Need like some software to get rid of like bloatware and shit. Working Asus, like, oh, we're dumping. Look. Palantir. Bro, Palantir better not break down freaking 15, man. I'm gonna be pissed. Looks decent VWAP slant. Damn, did you see that? Let's see if it holds true. I mean, what I usually see is when that VWAP line slants down, we look bullish, and then we continue to remain weak. See, look at this wick here. See what I'm saying? There is a level here I have drawn in, 426.60s. So basically 426 and a half. Look at those slants. Fuck. I gotta research that. Nvidia faded when it got close to previous close. I mean, Meta's still grinding up. It's not as high as it was. It's kind of like showing some signs of weakness. But I mean, how weak can you really be when you just like went straight up like that? But if I didn't know any better, I'd say there's resistance up here. about 274. Yeah, we broke above it for a second, but swiftly came back down. Now, if we can get back above it and can, consolidate, open a few candles up there, uh, then obviously we'd have to say the bullishness may continue, at least on Meta. Nvidia's been having trouble for a couple of days. Okay, so look where we're at now. We're in this little gap fill zone. And here I would expect us to just go straight up and go front side. The SPY's about to go front side, just did. Rejecting. Let's go back over here. I mean, that was a nice little push here. You would expect for us to have trouble here. Doesn't mean that we're not going to cross above it, though. But you would expect, for us to have a little trouble here. What about the Qs? All right, so obviously tech's weaker today. 354 is looking like a resistance, or obviously acting as resistance now. If we break above it, it obviously could become support. But I mean, you could see it. And this thing, the SPY's trying to recover here. But look where we came from. Alright, everything, the S&P 500, the SPY and everything's pushing up. Actually, near high of day, which isn't really saying much. I mean, we're only half an hour into the trading period. Alright, let's put these on like a more sensible time frame. With AMD has been topping out here at about 122 for a minute. About 122 and change. Seems to be resistance up there. Google's popping. The SPY's popping. Oh, we're ripping now, dude. Look at that. So we obviously filled in the gap and went front side, like I was suggesting. And now we're looking pretty bullish here. Oh, my bad. Wrong chart. Yeah, now we're looking pretty bullish here. Meta pushing up. Look at this thing. Again, though, bro. Look, I mean, we faded quite a ways, though. I would expect there to be resistance here. 42.79. Or 42.80s. 42.80s. Palantir still above 15. Metal on the highs, bro. Whoever's been swinging that to the upside, bro, made a killing. Alright. I've seen something different just now. I remember I said I would expect there to be resistance. I was saying here, but then I just pushed it to 42.80s. It's a nice round number. Doesn't necessarily mean anything because in order for us to remain bullish, like, you need healthy pullbacks. Yeah, 42.78. You can see it clearly on the 2-minute. This thing, the SPY went front side. The Qs never quite got there. What I will say is if we, you know what I'm saying, manage to come back down here and crack previous close, I'm going to maintain that the market's weak. Because remember, the Qs never got front side. Now, if they were both front side, that'd be something different. But they must converge at some point, in my opinion. The bounce. I mean, see, it's the indicators, bro. Like, it keeps messing up my chart. So there's been some pros and cons with this platform. I mean, what I will say is it's been way better than freaking Fidelity, Active Trader Pro. See, now look, the SPY's coming back down here and cracking previous close, and now look. That's what I'm saying. Like, if we, you know what I mean, come back down and re-crack it, then you have to assume the market's weak. Especially since the Qs was never able to get frontside, which doesn't really make sense because Meta super bullish. Actually, it does because Nvidia is backside, but AMD isn't. I need to go over the watch list too. Alright. There's still hope. Trying to get a little bounce here. Palantir still above 15. That's really all that matters for me. And it looks like it's bouncing. Need this thing back front side. We actually broke down 15 for a second. Alright, Palantir's bouncing, right? Going front side. But look, that's what I'm saying. But look, the S&P 500's looking weak. That's what I mean by like rotation. And like how Palantir is kind of behaving like almost like a meme stock, bro. Like a hype stock. So, alright, we're bouncing a little bit. I don't know. I don't know about Meta. It's almost looking like it's topping out, but it's just been so strong, bro, that I'd be really hesitant to try to fade that thing, bro. Matter of fact, I would refrain from doing it. Alright, this is what we want to see. I need Palantir like at 16, 17, 20. Back to fair value for it. Alright. Here's the freaking pre-market high up here on Palantir. We're right on it. Uh, 1535. This little V shape. That's looking pretty bullish. Look at Meta. Ooh. Getting back up here at 275.50s. Be interesting to see what happens when we get there. Do we reject? Or do we break above it? I mean, this is obviously looking a little more conducive to the bulls. And to long-term portfolios across the world, as a matter of fact. Look, it's playing around, bro. Look, Palantir got back up there to that 1530s. Rejected. Here's Meta on the high day. Look at this V right here, bro. That's crazy. All right. 427.50s. That's a matter of fact. Alright, there's definitely a level here at 427.50s. That's off the 15 minute. It's around here somewhere. 427.50s. As you can see from the double top. Double top here as well. Palantir got up to the pre-market high, rejected. It's looking like it wants to fade. Meta's just pegged up here. And Google actually on the high of day, AI on the high of day. AMD not looking bad. Amazon bouncing. And honestly, I like what AMD's been doing. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add. I just don't want to add. Yeah, no, dude, I'm not. Like, I'm not adding when we're at. Like, it makes no sense. Why would you add when we're at like the high of day, bro? Like, it's like you're. It makes it, even though it's not a short term trade, it makes me feel like I'm chasing. I never want to do that. Yeah, looking bullish. But my long term is down. Not by much though. Alright, looking like we're about to pop. $427.50s on the SPY. This is crucial. Coming up here to test this again. I mean, could we see some power of 3 game? 1, 2, 3. Looks like it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Rip instead of crack. Right here. Pivotal. Look at this beast. Bro, this thing's a beast, bro. 276. I feel like I missed a train on it. You feel me? It's a chase. Especially when I seen it at $90, $98, bro. Like, no way I freaking buy that thing that high up like that, bro. It would be foolish, for lack of a better term. Alright, look. Coming up here to test this intraday resistance again, 42.78.50s on the S&P 500. I mean, clearly you could see that is a resistance. 1, 2, 3. Pivotal. Nvidia starting to come down at the same time. Meta's bouncing. And everyone knew Nvidia was freaking like extended at the least, if not overvalued. That's why I was saying grab those puts. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. It's looking like we're rejecting. But hold on. Let's see if we break down the 9 EMA first. Palantir also coming up here to test this resistance again. But this would be, we just ripped right through it. Put in a new high a day here at 1538. That's what we want to see. But we need to break above that. And open a few candles, consolidate above that resistance. Metal pushes higher, 276.50s. Critical right here, bro. Look how many times we tested this level. Look at that. Just wicking off of it. Reject. I just seen violence on Meta. Looking like we might come down for a second here. But it was definitely violent looking. It was here. Palantir fighting with his pre-market high 1530s. I mean, are we gonna? It looks like we eventually break above it. To be honest with you, I mean, by now, like the entire market should be aware of it. Look, dude. 1, 2, 3. Reject. Power of threes, bro. Nvidia coming down. All right, here goes the market trying to take another stab at it at that level. Oh, about to. Matter of fact, let's just go over there now. Duh, you seen that? We're about to dump. We're about to dump. We're about to dump, bro. Look, Palantir's already starting to fade. But hold on, Palantir's been acting like a meme stock. So if that's fading, that means the market might bounce. Look at this. What happened to Palantir just now? Look at Nvidia. Hey, that thing hit that 388.30s and freaking bounced. Someone doesn't want it below that. Let's go to slightly higher time frames for some clarity here. All right, look. Look. Back at this level again. Although the SPY is broken above that 427.50s. All right. So finally got above that resistance. But let's hold up. Let me see something. Mm, we're above it. I'd like to see a new candle open above that level and maybe us consolidate a little bit above this. All right, there's a candle opening above the level. Just jump down in the trenches. 30-second candles. So we can really see what's going on. Decent recovery there, bro. But if you think about it, all we did was regain some of the ground that we've lost yesterday. When in doubt, zoom out. So look, we faded from here yesterday. We're about halfway back up. Like in a perfect world, this would now become support. In a perfect world. So you see, like we broke above it for a second, teased, and like broke back down. And I maintain, bro, that shit looking bearish to me, dog. To be honest with you. To be perfectly blunt. And shall I say frank? See, this is what I mean. Look, Palantir is looking weak and breaking down while the market's bouncing. That's what meme stocks do. Trust me, because I seen it. Like especially like when the whole GME, AMC, and then a couple more little squeeze plays. I've seen it. It's like there's some type of rotation element to it. I don't know if it's because, you know, everyone sees that the market's weak, so they're like, all right, let me, you feel me, focus on a couple spec plays, or if it's algorithmic driven, it's probably a combination of both. But what we have to ask ourselves right now is like, what would everyone else be doing and thinking right now? You feel me? Like, a little market psychology. So after seeing this dump and this run up, and us consistently testing this level and failing to break above it. One, two, three, four, reject. Power threes. And look, the S&P 500 was coming down and Palantir was coming down at the same time. So that wasn't meme stock behavior right there. That seemed a little more just weak behavior to me. Palantir trying to crack VWAP now. Oh no. I'm just saying, bro, like this 42, 78, 50s is obviously resistance. And we've yet to break above it in any meaningful way. Meta's been topping out here for a while. Nvidia seems to be coming down. Look at that. Now 387s. Oh man, like now I'm freaking having FOMO. I mean, I caught a piece of the fade on Nvidia. I just executed it in my other account. But man, I said that to say, damn, maybe I should have, you know what I mean, grabbed something that was a little longer term. I just have a little PTSD from, and I was on the wrong chart. Yeah, look at this thing, man, going down. AMD, just like I said, resistance at 122.30s. I'll show you real quick. But look at this thing. Bro, AI seems like it's about to squeeze. You might need to get me a piece of that. Look, shit's running up, dude. Look, AI is still running. Dude, I'm trying to get in here. What's going on? Bro, like, why they always trying to make me use margin, bro? Alright, AI's pulling back a little bit. Oh, look at freaking Apple. Tesla's looking strong. S&P 500 rejecting here. Again, we're having trouble at this level. Look. Palantir has broken down previous close. Oof. Dude, I'm glad I didn't freaking get filled just then, boy. Would have been pissed. See, that's what, and that's why I don't use hotkeys. That little bit of extra time it takes to go ahead execute your order sometimes. Will save you from bad execution. See, like, better to buy here on the pullback than up here. You see what I'm saying? Well, let's see where we pull back to first. I mean, if this thing's gonna maintain higher lows, we need to hold right here at about 37.15 or 37 flat. 37 flat, actually. About 37, about 37 flat. Even better, 37 15s or so. Looks like we're trying to bounce. You probably like on the pullback. Alright. I'll try one. We're ripping. Oh shit. Oof. Dog, we just popped out of nowhere. Wait, oh. Look at the time. Alright, that now let's see. No, that's a clean break. Alright, let's go. So now we got the SPY and the Q's front side off that pop. Even Tesla, almost. Look at Apple. Look at this thing, bro. What the hell just happened? Freaking, it's that that volume that comes in, bro. And that should be enough to get us on the right track. And I don't know how I feel about freaking AI. Like, I feel like I'm chasing up here, but at least I didn't, you know what I'm saying, buy it when it was at the highs. I waited for us to pull back. I bought here. Oh, my bad. Right here. So we pulled back. I jumped in. And it's fine if we chop around. As long as we maintain this higher low at 37. You feel me? Oh shit. Damn, it was just slipping, bro. Lord have mercy. I gotta tighten up. Alright. Okay. It's going in the right direction now. And I mean, this thing actually is seeming like it's gonna squeeze, bro. That was another elevating factor of why I jumped in it. But what did they just announce? Like what caused us to pop like that? Was it Euro close? Whatever it was substantial because without that pop, like we're looking weak. But now, I mean, look at that recovery. What's interesting is why did we hit a brick wall here? All right, good. Get rid of all this. I mean, there's really nothing. There isn't any levels. You have to go back a long way. I mean, I could see why that would be acting as some type of resistance, although it looks like we're about to break above it. Yeah, we're ripping. All right. Notice what Meta's doing, just shopping around sideways. Ugh. How the market could pop like that and Meta still be chopping around sideways tells me that it could be running out of steam here. Nvidia caught a piece of that pop, almost back up to 390. All right. So, I mean, AI, look, AI is popping. I'm telling you, that's a short squeeze candidate right here, bro. And remember, we already gave some back, but maintained a higher low. See, we popped up to almost 50. And we gave some back. You feel me? So we ran from 1750s up to 4750. Profit taking ensued. We found support at 30 and held that support, and now we're grinding back up towards 50. So that was you feel me, like the reasoning of why I took that trade. And plus it's like I said, it's looking like it wants to squeeze. That might be the actual next like major like short squeeze play. There was another one too. Let me look at my notes real quick. Man, forgot exactly which one it is. But look, most talked about stocks are AI, Apple, Tesla, Palantir, ticker symbol GTLB, AMD, and MVIS. Mm-hmm. High implied volatility. Again, AI, QBTS, ANNX, VSTS, VSTM, ITOS, PDSB, RCUS, EFTR, and SIFY. We'll check some of those out in a little bit. I'm trying to see what's up with this price action real quick. We'll leave that on 3 minutes. Okay, Amazon, bro. And AMD is looking pretty decent right now. For something for the a long term play candidate. However, I don't feel comfortable chasing it. So I would like to see a healthy pullback before I jump in. Brad, did we get that pop around 11 o'clock or what? What I will say is, dude, with us popping like this, all right, so this was resistance for a long time, right? And then we just popped out of nowhere, right? That much we do know. Right here. What the fuck? Like, what's scanning over here, bro? Lost my train of thought. Okay, so like I was saying, we're having trouble with this level. You know what I mean? Basically all morning up until like a minute ago, right? It was acting as resistance. Then we got this pop here. I mean, chalk it up to 11 o'clock volume that comes in every day, possibly due to Euro close. And, I mean, decent little pop, right? What I will say is if we come back down here and crack this level again, then you have to assume that the market's weak, bro, and bearish. I'm sorry. Because without this pop, we're still looking weak. So if we come back down here and give that back, we're definitely weak. Actuality, bro, I could take profits on AI. Look, it's popping, bro. Look. So where did I buy? I bought on the pullback here. So 37.17, up $1 per share. No, now look at it. Hold on, we might have to watch AI, bro. That shit looking like it want to squeeze. Look at that. And look, there. That's the rotation I'm talking about. Well, while this thing's popping and looking bullish, the market's fading. See what I'm saying? Look at Apple. Look at Tesla. Look at the Qs. Even look at the S&P 500. You feel me? That's the rotation element I'm talking about when it comes to the overall market and meme stocks. It's not something I made up, bro. I seen it. Like a lot of times. Like 100 times or more. The Qs are fading, coming down here closer and closer to previous close. Bro, what's up with Apple, bro? All right. One thing I will say is if Meta breaks down this 275.50s and the market is also looking weak, especially tech at the same time, that could be a decent fade opportunity. See how it's like just sputtering up here? Look, cracking that level now. So if we see weakness, see like how Nvidia is looking weak too. If we see weakness across the market right about now, wouldn't be a bad fade opportunity in my opinion. See, like for instance, I'll be watching that level on Meta and watching the Qs. If the Qs come back down here and start looking weak on previous close, and Meta's already like struggling to stay above that level, it could be a decent fade opportunity. See how the Qs are starting to look weak right here? 275 puts. 275 puts. Don't get faked out. Market's coming down, bro. The Qs are about to go back and crack previous close. Look, I'm telling you, bro. Look, 275 puts. No worries. Your line in the sand's up here, bro. Hey, hold your horses. We're starting to bounce. So that's what I'm saying. You got to be watching the market. Look though, like, look, we faded. Came back down, bounced, and faded again. Like we're fighting to stay frontside on the Qs. 355 flat. Major psychological level. Well, let's see what AI is doing. All right. Good. Just consolidate. Put in some higher lows. Like what we don't want to see, it says come down here and break down this 37. Don't matter. We could chop around all day. I bought the equity. So I have no expiration. Tesla looking bullish right about now, bro. Wait, no, never mind. Hold up. Let's see something. Okay, 300,000 shares. Thought that shit said 1 million for a second. And bro, what's up with Apple, man? I mean, shit. At this point, let's see something. I don't know. Apple's a long-term play, but it sure ain't helping my long-term right now. Look, all my other, like all my accounts are up on the day except for the one that has Apple in it. Like my, I don't know, it's like one of my retirement accounts. Everything else is up on the day except for the one with Apple. And I mean, if Apple keeps fading like this, I don't expect that to change. Look at this beast. Alright, so. It'd be nice if we can hold this, you might as well call it 38, but it's not really a level. I mean, it's a major, nice round number, but let's do it like this. I mean, I got the level in there already, 37. 37.25. I need to make coffee. Dude, I'm out of Bustelo. Drinking some other shit. Oh, let's check out Coinbase. We'll see if it recovered. Oh, look at that. Damn. From the low a day, what 46.50s, back up to 51. Decent recovery on that. All All right, look. Remember what I said, bro? If we give back this pop, and these are 30-second candles. If we give back this pop right here, bro, and come back down here and crack this level that was resistance again, yeah, and then what did I say? I mean, you'd have been slightly in the money, but that's not the move. That's not the move yet. Line in the sand's up here, bro. But look, we've broken down that 275.50s, and now we're underneath it. All right, get some volume. All right. So what caused this? Because now it's like 11 o'clock or 11:08, and we seem to be getting another little pop here. I mean, if we're gonna pop, let's pop. Let's get Palantir above this freaking resistance. Let's see what's going on with my spec play. All right, still looking decent. 37.75. It'd be nice if we can hold that. Oh my god, I was on the wrong chart. I gotta do all that over. There's my spec play. Like I was saying, definitely need to maintain this higher low at 37. It'd be even nicer if we can consolidate above 37.75. We're gonna go over some plays off the watch list here pretty soon. Checking in on that hypothetical. Still looking good. Still viable if you would have took that trade. Seen some jerking just now, bro. Some irking and jerking like we're about to jerk to the downside. Alright, whatever. So look, we popped, hit that resistance, gave half of the pop back. Maintaining a higher low though. That's a higher low. Medical. Alright. Maintaining a higher low, trying to break above the 9 right now. Looks like we're having a little trouble with it. Nvidia's popping. It just freaking popped up here to this 390s, 390 30s. Look at this thing. AMD almost at 125. Oof. Remember the line in the sand was up here, bro. We'll check back in. Because I'm seeing this thing try to break down this higher low right here. Remember what I said, dude? If we come down here and crack this, what was resistance and should be support now. Oh. Whoa. I'm telling you, bro. It's looking like we about to dump. Shit. I'll be ready to stop out of Meta right about now if I would have took that trade, boy. I mean, we still haven't, got to the line in the sand yet, but we're going in that direction. See that wick? Oh, I mean, that trade ain't dead yet. Like I said, bro, like the line in the sand will be up here, bro, at a higher day. Like, if we're just trading sideways up here, I mean, that can be looked at as topping out. But we just have to break down this. Look at Nvidia coming down. I'm just saying, bro. I'm more interested in this right now. So we came down here. Looked like we were going to give it back for a second. Not ready to give it back yet. Well, let's check out this spec play, bro. Alright. Doing what we should be doing. Consolidating. Above a higher low. A few of them. So, still looking decent. Market's looking pretty bullish. Look at Tesla. Back up. Front side. Oh, let's see something. All right, we're at 219 yesterday. Look. All right, so now look, we're trying to get back to higher low. Look, but it's still playing around up here. But what I'm saying is, when the market ripped to the upside, this thing did nothing but trade sideways and chop around, which means it's at the top of its range. So if the market fades, this will catch a piece of that fade. And it might be substantial because Meta gives you a decent range most of the time. So that trade idea isn't dead yet. And I'm seeing a little bit more weakness. Let's go back over here to the main screen. All right. So this is a little concerning. But notice we faded, came down here to this 37.75, trying to bounce. Again, it'd be nice if we can hold 37.75. But the real higher low that I feel needs to be held is going to be 37. God, man. Like, I'm really about to turn this shit off. AMD. I'm like I'm feeling like FOMO because I missed out on that run. Oh, what's up, bro? Yeah, I did have a good weekend. What's up, Chase? Yeah, how'd you do yesterday, bro? Take any trades yesterday? Hey, look, it's looking like resistance up here, bro. Looks like the market's starting to come down a little bit. I haven't confirmed it yet, but I see some resistance. I see some fading, and AI is coming down too. It better hold 37. Success is trying to bounce. Yeah, my bad, bro. I gotta move my chat like somewhere where I could pay attention to it. It's like all the way over here. Put it over here, bro. So we gave back 37.75. I mean, no cause for alarm yet. Like I said, I'm more interested in 37. Coinbase had a nice little recovery, got as high as 51. Looks like it's not done running yet. Just remember, it dumped from almost $60. So we gained back maybe half, a little less. So look, now the Qs have went backside. We broke down this higher low. Now look, we're approaching this level that was acting as resistance, and we just cracked it. All right. So let's see how much we crack it, and then look. What did I say, bro? What did I say, bro? I mean, it's not advanced at all. Like, we came up here, hit resistance, refused to go higher. At the same time, we seen the whole market rip to the upside. Meta did nothing but chop around. So you have to assume that thing's at the top of the range. And if the market starts looking weak, it's going to fade. And look, those contracts would have been in the money and going deeper right now. I said it, 275 puts, bro. And now look. So we cracked this. I'm getting rid of this level. Look, this was that freaking resistance that you would think would hold that support. But we just sliced right through it and cracked. Now went backside, cracked all indicators and went backside. Look at Nvidia. Look at Meta. Oh, I'm telling you, bruh. Should have took that trade. Again, though, bro, like, I want to reiterate, I'm not a financial advisor. So anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. Any type of trading vehicle. All right. I mean, you would have took profits here at 274.50s. All right, so, dude, I'm seeing some crazy price action. Alright, so trying to bounce and recover a little bit. But I don't know. Wait, let's zoom out. In my opinion, we're still pretty high up, and dare I say extended. Look at that. This thing tried to dump. They bought it. Look at that long wick. So there's buyers down here for sure. Don't know if it'll be enough to recover after that dump. But definitely trying right now. And oh shit, look. So now we're fighting for this higher low. Definitely don't want to see that. Alright. I don't want to sweat it too hard. Alright, 427.50s. The SPY's up against it. The Qs were just about to crack VWAP. Like that shit was about to crack VWAP. That shit sliding it down, dude. Alright, we just popped. See what they got to say. The SEC's moves on Coinbase and Binance are the latest of many recent high-profile clashes. Yeah, I'd agree. World Bank warns on economy. The group says the world economy is set to slow to its lowest level since the 2008 financial crisis. Dang. Ukraine said Russian forces have blown up a giant dam, unleashing. Where was that at? Unleashing floodwaters and affecting a nuclear plant. Boys over there blowing up dams. They better say, they better stop playing with goddamn Putin, bro. Before he pulls out them tactical nukes. It's not off the table. they got tactical nukes that can just hit like a little certain predefined area and not do too much widespread damage. All right, AI is trying to push again. Check it out. See, that's what I mean. Like, as long as we hold that higher low at 37, I'm fine with it. You feel me? And I don't know, bro. I am going to maintain, bro, that the market is definite. Okay, I want to say weak, but I'm gonna say definitely not looking too strong. And again, that play would have worked. All right, in the meantime, let's check out some of the stuff off the watch list. This thing popped pre-market, gave it all back. It's a penny stock. Ticker symbol TTOO. Forza. Uh, Definitely showing some proof of concept. Started running, what was that, Friday? After hours, I guess they released earnings and it's just basically been putting in higher lows for a couple days. Got all the way up as high as 395 from 125. Decent. So as long as this thing can stay front side and maintain a higher low, there's something there. Vidu, I mean, this thing popped right at pre-market trading, which has been fading ever since. There's another one popping pre-market, showing some proof of concept. Where it popped from 90 cents up to 150 and then just gave it all back. Novo integrated. Obviously a penny stock, but you know, was showing some proof of concept and also maintaining a higher low at this point in time. Off Therapeutics popping at 8 o'clock, from 190s up to 430s at the highs, and ever since then have been fading, but we are trying to maintain a higher low here at about 330s. Line in the sand would be 3. $3 flat. Yeah, there's a couple. I have more as well. However, I want to watch this price action. Okay, look, AI came down to my higher low, my level 37, and bounced. Almost got back up as high as 38. So it was doing all the right things. There we go, bouncing again. What the fuck? My bad. Some music or something, bro. Popping here. But AI isn't. Everything else is. Apple's trying to recover. Tesla's running. AI is still above 37. Trying to get back above 37.75. Up 61% on my pound here. 61%, bro. And look, it's going up. Trying to test this 1530s right now. Nvidia coming down. Damn, dog, you ain't grabbed them 275 puts, bro. Oh man, you tripping, dog. I need this thing to rip past 1530s. Here we go. Look at that wick. Come on, man. Let's go. Shit. The way shit's going right now, bro. Like, look, breaking past that, dude. I'm already up 60-something% on them. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I like this beat. I just can't tell if I like it because I made it or if it's, you know what I'm saying, if it's actually good. Because you're always gonna like your own stuff. Fighting with this resistance, trying to break above it. I mean, we got as high as 1560, so pre-market. S&P 500 trying to come down. I'm up to 5, if up, try to run down. Bro, look at this thing. What? Oh, good. Well, at this point, dude, I feel like I need to just take profits. But, bro, that's what I'm saying. Like, now do you believe me? It's acting like a freaking meme stock, dude. Look, 500,000 shares just got dropped. A big whale just splashed in. 800, shit. How many shares? 500,000. Pushed us all the way up to almost 1550s. And there's resistance up here on Amazon at 126.75. We've been consolidating and we're crossing over some indicators right now. Quick play to the upside. Your price targets this resistance here. Especially if you see stocks this looking weak and looking like it wants to dump. What the fuck? Oh, I gotta turn that off. Now the Qs are going back front side or trying to. Look at this beast. And my AI is back above 37.75. Need to maintain this higher low to take the next leg higher. Don't be bad, cause I am fly up. The straits you are in are dire. Tesla at 220. Little double bottom down here on Nvidia. That's a play right there too. Double bottom crossing over VWAP. Price target's 390. Look at this beast. I'm about to take profits. Like, how do I stop this from fucking popping up? Tesla having some trouble at 220. It's breaking above resistance. I mean, healthy pullbacks are fine, but we don't want to pull back past this though. About 1540s or so. What did I say, bro? Double bottom play was crossing over VWAP. I mean, price target 390. So it's a classic double bottom crossing over VWAP. I mean, that's just tailor-made. What I don't like is this thing pull back past this 1540s. Now, if we pull back all the way here to 1530s, I expect us to hold. I would expect us to hold this level only because of, I mean, 500,000 shares were traded here. So, and then you also have to take into consideration that this was resistance all morning. So now it should act as support, especially when, you know, like I said, 500,000 shares were dropped there to the upside. But I mean, in a perfect world, I wouldn't even want us to come back down here and test this. I mean, AI pulled back, you know what I'm saying? Back below this 37.75. However, the real high or low is 37 flat. So still looking good. Need to make some coffee real quick. I'm trying to figure out which freaking charts to leave on there. Oh Lord, is that rain out there? I definitely need to make coffee. That shit gonna put me to sleep, bro. Palantir making another run at it. Look, if that trade would have worked, we got as high as 389.90s. Close enough. Alright. Oh my god, like what the fuck? Like how you turn off these hotkeys on there, bro? Or something. I don't feel like troubleshooting anything. Alright. I'm going to make me some coffee real quick, bro. I'll be back. My motherfucking trash. All right, what's going on here, bro? Back, dude. I mean, honestly, look, we're going into that lunchtime, dead time. It is possible we see a fade. Oh, Lord. Come on, man. Like, I'm not typing in my fucking password. All right. Oh. I mean, look, coming down as we enter the lunchtime, dead time. Oh, God. All right, hold on 1 second, bro. Like, I was inactive too long. Man. Oh, bro, we just missed a decent fade too, bro. Look at that. That's what it's like. And I keep reiterating it, right? Um, like that lunchtime dead time hasn't been too dead lately. We've been seeing some decent price action. Because like that used to be my schedule too. Like I'd wake up super early, like for pre-market and all that. You know what I mean? Like do my homework and shit, and then I'd trade from the open till like around, and I'd be done trading usually like around 11 o'clock or so, and then I'd like take a nap like around like you know what I'm saying, like 11:30 till like 1 or 2, and then wake up for power hour. But what I noticed is like, dude, like there's been some decent price action and volatility during lunchtime, especially recently. Decent little fade, followed by a little recovery bounce. Uh, the question is, will we see any continuation? And looks like no. AI came down here and tested that 37. Shows you how important and key that level is. Feel me? Excuse me. Um, so they tried this. They tried to sneak the fade in during lunchtime, huh? Dog, I need to go to the barber shop. It's like raining and shit outside now, bro. That rain trying to put me to sleep right now, my guy. Why? I don't know, man. Seems like we about to dump. Crack the 120. Already cracked the 9 in the short term. Just opened below the 120. Alright. Okay. Oh, and those are 30-second candles. Alright. I mean, look, on the 5 minute, you can see, look, that little double top. Bum, bum, reject. Palantir consolidating up here above 1540s, which is definitely a welcome sign. At the same time, we got AI did a nice little double bottom bounce off of 37 flat. So everything's actually going according to plan right now. Miraculously. Here comes a SPY coming down here to test this for 2750s again. That's like the same level. Alright. Like that. Let me see something. Yeah. $42.80s. And then on the S&P 500, that same level that corresponds to that is about 427.75. You can see how they're like almost identical. Look. See this? Right there. And then right here. See that little wick right there? Trying to crack the 120. Crack. Crack. Let's look at some 30-second candles. Crack. Crack. Oh, we just cracked a level. I mean, we bounced off of it with double bottom. And now we just cracked it. About 42. Let me see. About 42.80 and a half. Look, double bottom again. AI is grinding back up. Palantir damn near at 1550s. See, I don't know if I should just go ahead and take profits on the on the calls, because we've basically been chopping around the same level now for a few days, right? Around 1550s or whatever. I have the $15 calls that expire on Friday. But if we stay around these same levels, you feel me? Like, they'll be worth less. You know what I'm saying? Due to the time decay. You feel me? And that's not even the worst case. The worst case is we go ahead and crack and head back down and give back 15. So, like, look, I don't really know what I should do, because I also have I can sell the calls and still be in it with the equity. And like my average cost on the equity is really low. It's like half of that. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and take profits. Especially look, it's looking like we're going to crack. PGA Tour to merge with Saudi-backed Live Golf. I want to track the Russell 2000. Like, I forgot what the ticker symbol was for the Russell. Is it RUT? I don't think it is. It is. Look at this thing, bro. Holy smokes. Alright, so what we're gonna do is put the Russell over here, bro. But nah, I think there's another. Like, what's the other one? Because this is like the SPX. But what's the other? Like, what's the equivalent of like the SPY of that? I know there's another one. It's like a IR. Like, I don't even get no market data for this one. Charge me extra for that. Okay. So I mean, Palantir's still above 15. AI. Hold up. What the fuck? On the Russell 2000, it's almost like oh, it is. It's a index. Like, they won't let me get volume on it for some reason. So I'll go with the 10-day SMA. Weird though. Look at this thing, bro. That shit popped. Looks like Google's topping out. Look, double top up here. And almost. Might as well call it a double top. AI is fading back to 37. That's all good. We just have to hold above 37. AMD's been looking pretty decent lately. Okay. Looking like we want to come down a little bit here. $42.80.50. GE up almost 1.5%. Cisco down, Intel up almost 5%, AT&T up 2%, Disney up 1.5%. Bank of America up 2.5%. Google up 1.25%. Chicago Walgreens redesigned with only 2 aisles available for browsing. The rest behind counters. God damn. They only, bruh, in Chicago, the Walgreens, freaking, they only have 2 aisles where you can browse for products. Everything else is behind the register. them boys done freaking murked everything in Chicago, bro. They closed Walmart down there. Now there's only 2 aisles available for shopping at Walgreens. Damn, bro, that's tough, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. Shit rough out here, dog. That tells you all you need to know, bro. We're in a recession, bro. Talking about you got Walmart's closing down because of theft. Bro, it's getting pretty serious out there, bro. Dude. Like a Walgreens with only 2 aisles. So, what's on the aisles? How is everything else behind the counter? Like, how do you shop like that? You might as well just shop online. Shit, I believe that's where everything's heading to pretty soon. Alright, look, we came down here, freaking bounced. We're back on this level. No, this is the low. 42.78.5. So we bounced off of it. Look at the Ruskies. Oh, it's a little outrageous right there. Like there might be some resistance up there. Yeah, things are coming down, bro. Google hit resistance, rejected, tried to bounce. It's looking like a dead cat bounce. And then look, you got success, like it found some support down here. Little double bottom. And if we start trending up, that means the market will continue to fade. The Q's like, all right, we've broken down the 9 EMA. We got the 120 here, right underneath it, and then right underneath that is previous close. Tesla above 220, consolidating for a minute. Look how we came up here and rejected clean off the 120. They're fighting for it. Look. 275s would have been in the money. They going deeper. But yeah, man, it's lunchtime, dead time. Look, the Ruskies are coming down. But yeah, I mean, it's lunchtime, dead time, bro. I got a couple errands to run and stuff. I'm gonna try to make it back by power hour. Hang on. See a little bit of dumping. Let's see if we dump or not. Actually bouncing. Let's see what's more likely here. All right. Let's get rid of all this. All right. Look, we ran up decent. For the last 3 trading periods, we've pretty much been chopping around up here. Yeah, we did break higher for a little bit, but for the most part, here's our resistance. $428.25. We ran from down here. So I feel like it's more likely that we eventually fade, pretty much. I could be wrong. Really, the only thing that saved it is like right here, like we just got a pop out of nowhere, I guess from Euro close, and then we even gave that back, bounced again up here to the resistance and started fading again. All right. Same level, 427.50s or so. I just seen a violent jerk on Nvidia. We just like jerked down with some velocity and some violence. I don't know what's going on over there, but I don't think that thing done fading yet, man. Look, missed it. It's on like it like jerked down, and that's why you see the wick. Whatever. It could just turn into a Doja candle. Okay, look, now this support is looking like it wants to act as resistance. But we'll see how things shake out. I'm trying to check back in with you guys for power hour though. Pretty much, like my shit's on cruise control. I don't even need to do nothing. I'm trying to see if this Russell 2000 index has any correlation with the rest of the market. Look at that fade on the 1 minute. Yeah, it's trying to bounce a little bit, and the market's bouncing. There's some correlation there. I mean, you would expect it as a index, but I think it tracks small caps. Check how we respecting these levels, bro. 42.80 and a half. Cracked it, bounced, came back up, tested it again, and rejected. Looking like we're going to come down a little bit here. How what you think about them 275s? From up here, I was saying grab them. 274.80s we're trading at now. Feel me? You better sub and turn on notice, man, so you can get you some of this money, man. You feel me? Get you some of this money on. Success grinding up equals the market fading. You can already see it on the Russell. What I'm afraid of is I don't want AI breaking down 37. I don't want Palantir breaking down 1530s and especially 15. Look, S&P 500 done cracked this level. Now we're in this. Because there was like a little gap fill area. Where's that at? Right here. So we're almost back down here to that little gap fill zone. We gotta fade a little bit more, but look at this. Look at Nvidia. Damn. Dumping, bro. Oh my god, I gotta keep going back to them 400 puts. Oof. Whoever grabbed them shits are up fucking. Goddamn, you're up. I don't know. An exorbitant amount, though. Look, we came down here. Look, oh, we got close to coming to almost cracking previous close. Yeah, dude, look at this. Look at this thing. Let's see how much the puts are. Just for shits and giggles. Look how expensive they are, bro. Those are 10 days out. Hold up. Those can't be the freaking only ones. Hold up. Yeah, there you go. Let me see. Like the 385s are $5.80 that expire in 3 days. Look. I mean, shit. For the Hail Mary though, like 370s. I mean, shit. We're above 400 at one point. Now we're at 385. So it's not far fetched for us to drop another $15, bro. Just not in 3 days. That's the only problem. Coming down. Damn. I was trying to take a little break, dog, but like I ain't trying to miss this price action. Oh, it's just freaking stepping down. A new candle just opened below the previous one on the S&P 500, and we just like dumped a little bit. We just jerked to the downside. I feel like this thing's eventually fades and goes backside, bro. Especially looking at what Nvidia's doing. Look, 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 look. Crack, crack. Ooh. Mm. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I grabbed puts up here. I mean, you heard it. If you didn't hear when I said order filled. The only thing that sucks is look, Palantir is like fading with the market. And we also have AI. It gave back 37. I'm not too happy about that. So now, I mean, 3650s. We'd have to hold 3650. If not, I'm out. That fade. Fade on the Russells, fade on Google, fade on AI, fade on AMD. Double bottom on Success, putting in higher lows. Tested VWAP, rejected off VWAP, but trying to grind back up. And Apple's just, I don't know what's up with Apple. That shit been looking weak as hell, bro. I don't know if we're gonna dump again like that. Probably should go ahead and just take profits. Look, we're bouncing now. Let's see what happens. All right, looking like we want to reject. No. Yeah. Oh. AI's fighting for 37 again. All right, back above 37. We need to open a candle above it, though. The SPY rejecting off of VWAP. And so are the Qs. Look, what you think about them 275s now, bro? I was saying grab them here when we were looking weak at 275.50. Now we're at 274.50. Bro, trying to put you on, bro. Put you on, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take a break, bro. You feel me? I'll be back on hopefully for Power Hour. But as of now, everything's looking good, bro. I'm up decent. But anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe if you learned anything or found any value in the content. I'm gonna try to find some time to actually make some real videos, like some good shorts or something. I just haven't had the time lately. And it looks like we're about to crack. Palantir is looking to be heading in the right direction. S&P 500 is looking pretty weak. What you think about them 275s now, bruh? About to crack VWAP. Man, that was a money printer right there, bruh. No one jumped on the money printer? Sucks. Support becomes resistance. Inverse higher lows as we step on down. Let's see what happens here. Nvidia is just looking weaker and weaker. Look, 274. About to crack 274 now, bro. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Tried to tell you, bro. I don't know. Hopefully someone's paying attention. I mean, at least on Rumble. Come on down. The price is right. We'll get success. Missing half of my chart here. Oh no. Look at the Russell's coming down. Success now crossing over VWAP. Let's zoom in a little bit. And then look. We got the Qs already backside. The SPY now going backside. Apple fading like a mug. And now Tesla is now approaching previous close and looking to go backside as well. We also have that S&P 500 here fighting to stay front side, but no, we crack and go backside. Nvidia on the lows, continuing to fade. Meta, not on the lows, but continuing to fade. But if we continue at this rate, we will get there. What them 275s looking like now, dog? Let's see how much they worth. This is one thing I hate. I do all this shit. $275 is worth $3.75 and going up. Like, so been $375 per contract. That's what they're worth now. I thought I took the transitions off. Okay, double bottom here on previous close. Fighting. The fuck? Shut off. Yeah, it says fade. 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 Yeah. Anyways, look. Success. Crossing over VWAP. Look at these. We're seeing a little bounce. AI back above, way above 3750s even. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and take a quick break. I'll be back for Power Hour, hopefully. Anyways, hope everyone did good. Again, it's your boy E with some finance solutions. If you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe, hit the bell, and get the hell over to my Discord and or Patreon to sign up for that daily morning watch list, which gives you that edge, brethren. Peace. And we're dumping. We're dumping. about to crack this. Look at a video. $275. I need to restart OBS or something. It's like fucked up. I don't know. But anyways, peace. I'll see you later. You made money, bro.